Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Walkie Talkie feature on your Apple Watch. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open your Apple Watch, and then to turn on your Walkie Talkie, you just have to swipe up from the bottom of your screen and scroll down a little bit until you find this Walkie Talkie icon here. And when you tap on it, it means it is going to turn bright yellow, and it means that you are available on your walkie-talkie, so others can reach you if you have set up others in your contacts. Now, to set up others in your contacts, you just have to go to the menu, and in the menu find the walkie-talkie app, which is here, as you can see. And when you open your walkie-talkie app, it is going to open your contact list. That's why I'm not opening it right now, so I don't publish my contact list, but it is basically going to open your contact list, and from your contact list you can choose people to add to your walkie-talkie connections. And then when you are available, which means you have swiped up on your menu, and then others can call you on the walkie-talkie. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.